So, welcome to all of you, and today we are going to discuss hydrogenolysis. Okay, so some are the reagents which is responsible for hydrogenolysis. Okay, so bond cleavage with hydrogen between carbon and more electronegative element in presence of catalyst. Okay, is known as hydrogenolysis. Okay, so you can see here it is the electropositive atoms and it is electronegative atom. Okay, so we have some catalyst which act as a responsible for, you can say, hydrogenolysis used, and the process of hydrogenolysis takes place. Okay, so after that carbon hydrogen bond will be formed, plus what happened, this electronegative atoms forming the bond with catalytic which are used in this. Okay, forming the hydrogen bond. Okay, so you can see this one. Okay, so for hydrogenolysis, there are a number of uh, bond means for hydrogenolysis there are lots of reagent are used which is used for the hydrogenolysis for CO, CN, CS, CX, like that, cyclopropanone and carbon carbon single bond. Okay, so hydrogenolysis is a deep protection method. Okay, so you can see here, if you add base and PSCH to Br. Okay, so what happened here, first of all, what will be formed? It form the RO minus. Okay, this RO minus will attack its CH2. Okay, so that's why what happened here, this bromine will be released out. Okay, and formation of this moiety takes place. Okay, so after that what taking place, you will add palladium carbon hydrogen. Okay, and this reagent is basically used for the hydrogenolysis. Okay, so what will be formed here, ROH will be formed and toluene will be formed. Okay, means one hydrogen will be added here and one hydrogen will be added from this position, from hydrogen. Okay, so this reagent is used as a hydrogenolysis and providing the two hydrogen and forming the alcohol and toluene. Okay, next one, hydrogenolysis of CO bond. So CO bond किस किस में present होगा, it will be in ether, it will be in ester, it will be in alcohol. Okay, and it will be in carbamates. Carbamates को आपको पता होगा, carbamates containing NaCO. Okay, so this is very important moiety of carbamates. Okay, so next one, hydrogenolysis of ether. So hydrogenolysis takes place via SN2 mechanism. Okay, SN2 means one step reaction and inversion of configuration takes place backside attack. It is the characteristics of SN2. Okay, like that, stability, if you see here, stability of carbocation, primary, secondary, tertiary, like that. Okay, if benzyl group present in a compound, that hydrogenolysis takes place easily. Okay, इन्होंने बोला कि अगर बेंजाइल ग्रुप अटैच्ड है देन हाइड्रोजिनोलिसिस आपका वेरी इजीली हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो जनरली हाइड्रोजिनोलिसिस मेथड यूज्ड टू रिमूव बेंजाइल ग्रुप. ओके, क्या है, बेंजाइल ग्रुप के रिमूवल के लिए एंड वाया डी प्रोटेक्शन मेथड. ठीक है, तो ये जो हम आप एग्जांपल के थ्रू देख सकते हो, RCH2O CH2 बेंजिल. सो यहाँ पे देखो बेंजिल मॉइटी है, तो बेंजिल मॉइटी हम इसलिए अटैच किए कि ये बॉन्ड आपका इजीली ब्रेक हो जाए. ओके, तो अगर आप बेंजिल मॉइटी अटैच कर रहे हो एंड आफ्टर दैट इफ यू ऐड पैलेडियम कार्बन हाइड्रोजन which act as a hydrogenolysis agent, so it forming the RCH2H and toluene. Okay, so this bond will very easily, CO bond will easily deprotect when you will benzyl azide. Okay, so benzyl azide is very important for cleavage of CO bond. Okay, so explanation, if you see here, what happened, palladium, this is the palladium charcoal. Okay, so palladium charcoal is the layer in which hydrogen is present. Okay, so how it is add, it addition takes place like that, hydrogen it will add from this. Okay, you can say this hydrogen attached from this. Okay, you can, no, sorry for that. One hydrogen attached from this forming the toluene, while remaining forming the this bond, this electron density shifted here and this O minus attract hydrogen forming the alcohol. Okay, so this is the mechanism. Okay, So if you add benzyl, sorry for that, then what happen here? This cs2 abstract hydrogen from this, and this electron density of the bond shifted oxygen and it feels negative charge which abstract another hydrogen, so forming this product. Okay. So similarly, electrostatic interaction between benzene and palladium carbon. Okay, so some important reaction you can see here. First of all, you can see here, this is the OMe, this is the C6H5. Okay, so next one, what takes place here, you can see it reaction takes place via SN2 mechanism. Okay, so SN2 mechanism, this is the C6H5 remain, which hydrogen comes will be on this hydrogen comes on this OMe will be released out, and this bond will be on wedge position. Okay, while C6H5 will be on base position because inversion takes place, inversion of configuration takes place. Okay, so यहाँ पे मैंने लिख दिया स्टीरियो inverted. Okay, similarly you can see here, see here, this is the two cyclic ring, heterocyclic ring, and if you add palladium carbon hydrogen, then what takes place? This bond will be cleavage of CO bond takes place. Okay, forming the OH. This is the OH, this is the OH, this is another OH, and this is another OH. Okay, and similarly you can see another group will be remaining, means two toluene molecule will be uh, deprotect. Okay, so how mechanism takes place, I have earlier explained that this is the charcoal. Okay, this is the layer of charcoal in which hydrogen is present. Okay, so these hydrogen via this mechanism, okay, proceeds and forming the product, and toluene will be released out. Okay, similarly you can see here, this is the another substrate containing CO. Okay, this is the benzoyl. Okay, so toluene will form from this moiety and from this moiety. Okay, and this will forming the glycol diol type. Okay, so you can see here it forming the this one and this one. Okay, and your product will be OH, means this will be your products. I have did not mention here, but you can see this one. Okay, next one, hydrogenolysis of allylic ether. Okay, so in the case of allylic ether, sodium and liquid ammonia is used. Okay, because palladium carbon hydrogen may reduce to carbon carbon double bond. Okay, so you can see here, if you add palladium carbon hydrogen here, so it forming the, because hydrogen will be attached from this forming the acid, and this forming the toluene. Okay, similar process takes place in this reaction. Next one, hydrogenolysis of alcohol. So if you add, this is the alcohol, if you add tosyl group, okay, so it forming the OTS. Okay, in the presence of base, actually base, in the presence of base is forming the O minus. Okay, and its abstract, it attack on this OSO this. Okay, and forming the OTS. Okay, so ROTS form, and after lithium aluminum hydride added, hydrogen addition of hydrogen takes place. Okay, and removal of OTS takes place in this process. Okay, similarly you can see ROS, this is the primary alcohol, and O minus will attack on this. Okay, chlorine will be released out forming this one, and after addition of butyl tin aluminum hydride, what takes place? Free radical mechanism takes place, and it forming the RCS2 free radical here. Okay, and O, it forming the carbonyl group. Okay, so after addition of butyl tin hydride, it forming the RCS3. Okay, and it forming the RCS3. Okay, next one you can see this one, if you add sodium hydride, then sodium hydride is the act as a base forming O minus, attack on this forming this one, and after addition of this methyl will be attached in this process, because it attacks on the methyl, iodine will be released out forming this moiety, and after addition of this one, this bond will be breakdown, means CO bond will be breakdown. Okay, so here sodium hydride is used as a hydrogenolysis process. Okay, hydrogenolysis of carbamates, I have telling you that CS2CO, it is the carbamates. Okay, and if an amine will be added, addition takes amine, if you add amine, then it will be protected by benzo, this carbamates. Okay, CbZCl you can say, okay, forming the carbamates, okay. Next one, what happen here, if you add palladium carbon charcoal, then this bond will be breakdown, okay, forming the CO2, and this forming amine, and this forming PSCH3, okay. So next, okay, so it is the mechanism of this reaction. And if you see this one, so similar process takes place, this forming one molecule of toluene, one molecule of CO2 will be released out, and it forming the this NH2 and COS, okay. Similar process take hydrogenolysis of CN bond. So how it is takes place, you can see here CH2 En, okay, so NS, this bond will be breakdown, CN bond will be breakdown by addition of palladium carbon hydrogen, okay, forming the toluene. Similar process takes place in this. If you add this one, what takes place, this forming the toluene, okay, and NS formation takes place, okay. Similar process takes place in this, forming the two molecule of toluene and forming PHNH2, okay. Similar process takes place in this, for during carbon hydrogenolysis, then this CS, this will be breakdown forming toluene and this one, okay. Hydrogenalysis of CX bond also takes place by using this one, okay, tributyl anhydride ALPN, okay. So RX will be changes to RH. So rate of hydrogenolysis CX CO CS CN, okay. Halogen, it will be released out very easily, then oxygen, then sulfur, then nitrogen, okay. So it is some applications of palladium carbon charcoal, okay. So in the next lecture we will describe remaining part of this one, okay. So thank you for all for watching this video, okay.